Hello students, in previous session we have discussed about exponent and base. Here I want to tell you again in short. Let's consider few examples. 5 multiplied by 5 can be written as 5 square, and here base is 5 and exponent or power is 2. Similarly, x multiplied by x can be written as x cube, and here base is x and exponent is 3. Right students? Now we will discuss about descending and ascending order. All of you know very well about descending and ascending order. Let's consider this one variable expression, that is x cube plus 3x plus 2. This expression consists of 3 terms, but in this expression we have only one variable, that is x. So in this expression the first term x square has the greatest power 2 or exponent, we can say both. The second term 3x has the power 1 and the last term has the power 0, because x raised to power 0 is equal to 1 and hence 2x raised to power 0 is equal to 2 multiplied by x raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So we will write 1 here. So 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. So student, what is descending order? An expression written in order of greater to lower power is said to be descending order. Right? And what is ascending order? If an expression is written in the order of lower to greater power, it is said to be in ascending order. Okay, now we start exercise 9.2, page number 116, and question number 1 is, write the following in exponential form. The first one is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 and multiplied by 4. So we have to write in exponential form. So we will write 4 one time, and the power of first term, power of 4 is 1, in second again power of, because there is no power, if there is no power it means power is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, it's 5 times. So 4 raised to power 5. Okay. Next, a multiplied by a is equal to, how we can write in exponential form? We will write variable one time and power 1 and 1. So a square or a raised to power 2. So here p is 6 times. So we will p one time, we will write p one time and we will add the power. There is no power, its mean power is 1. So 1 plus 1 we will add, that is 6. So p raised to power 6. Right students? Understood? Okay, now your homework is exercise 9.2, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 to 12.